The bitter taste of neem makes it one of the least popular herbs in this part of the world. One of the main reasons so few people use this herb is because of its intensely bitter taste. Instead, you could find that eating neem leaves, sometimes called Dogoyaro, has many positive effects on your health. Neem leaves have a positive effect on diabetics, and we'll show you how they do it. Studies have indicated that eating neem leaves can help control blood sugar. The antiviral compounds and flavonoids found in neem leaves have been the subject of numerous scientific studies. Blood sugar levels can be maintained within a healthy range when these chemicals are present in the body. However, many people are turned off by neem because of its harsh flavor. Numerous studies have shown that this herb is effective in reducing blood sugar levels. Therefore, it is crucial to consume it if you have episodes of high blood sugar levels so that you may better control your health condition. Neem leaves have the ability to treat diabetes, stomach ulcers, and infections. Additionally, neem leaves are antimicrobial. Incorporating this herb into your diet has been shown to have beneficial effects on your health. The flavor alone cannot be used as a reliable indicator of a food's nutritional worth. Some foods that may seem unhealthy due to their harsh flavor actually have many beneficial elements.